Hi, my name is Fiske. I'm a computer science student at the University of Technology in Delft, where I've been attending the blockchain engineering course. And for that course, some other students and I made REVChain. REVChain is a blockchain-based application that provides a data sharing platform for real estate valuation companies. And such a platform is not on the market right now because most approaches would have to deal with a central entity through which all of the data is shared. And for a real estate valuation company, this is not a viable option because the central entity would just be able to sell all of the data that the companies are attempting to share with each other and make profit for themselves. However, by using a blockchain-based application such as REVChain, we can decentralize the sharing process. I will now walk you through some of the core functionality of the application. This is my dashboard. I am currently logged in as John Doe and I have 0 credits to my name as well as 0 data points. Now a data point represents the information that some real estate company has done on the valuation of a certain piece of real estate property. And if you upload a data point, you gain credits for it, depending on how complete your data point was. So for example, the postal code and location fields are optional. However, if you provide them, your data point will be worth more credits and you will gain more credits for uploading it. So let's say now that I want to download a data point, so I actually have some information, then I can browse through them and let's say that I want this one. It's worth 24 credits. Well, this makes sense. Of course I cannot purchase a data point if I have 0 credits on my name. So if I want to get this data point, I need to upload a data point of my own. So let's say I will upload a rent-related data point. The ID is some kind of backend thing. It's still in here for development purposes. Let's say this is a data point about The Hague on the Eisenhower Lane. I think that's a thing. It is an office and the transaction was back in January 2014. It's a rather big office. The construction date was quite a while ago. It is 80,000 euros a year and the standard lease length is 1 year. Let's go with that. Success. I have now uploaded the data point and I can view the corresponding information here, and now you can see that I also have access to its private information. However, when I am browsing data points, I can only see the public information of these data points. So this is the one that we just uploaded. The 777 makes that really obvious. Now this is a really good data point. However, I do not have enough credits for it, right? Because my data point was only worth 24 credits. But sure, I'll settle for this one. So I'll download this one. Currently I can only see the public information. I do not have it in my dashboard. However, if I download it, here we go. I will have spent my credits. I have 0 again. And now I can see the private information corresponding to that data point as well. So that's about the gist of it. We implemented REVChain using Hyperledger Fabric, which is a blockchain development framework originally contributed and developed by IBM. It is completely open source and is decently documented, though it could be better. And it comes with some useful tools such as Hyperledger Composer, which allows you to define your network in a modular way and test some of it in practice. Hyperledger Fabric is part of the Hyperledger project, which contains a bunch of these frameworks. As you can see, there are many of them, and they all excel in different kinds of use cases. Of course, there are also other available frameworks, such as Ethereum, which is really popular right now. If you are interested in developing decentralized applications, I highly recommend that you have a look at these. I think decentralized applications have a lot of potential. These frameworks are pretty new, and as such, I think there are a lot of ideas that have yet to be implemented. Other than that, I think developing with such a framework can teach you some things about cybersecurity that you don't quite learn when developing centralized applications. With all that said, thanks for watching and have a good day.